Good morning, my green buddies. It is quite famously taunted. Don't expect mangoes when you plant papayas. But do you really think that being a papaya is worthy of being a taunt? Let's find out. The papaya or carica papaya is one of the best known tropical fruits. The plant is native to Mexico and Central America but is now grown throughout the world. In fact, India is the largest producer of papaya. Though it is a tropical plant, it also does well in subtropical regions. It cannot be cultivated in high altitudes as it doesn't tolerate very cold weather. It prefers temperatures that are neither too high nor too low. A warm and dry climate is needed during ripening season to produce sweet fruits. It cannot withstand strong winds as it is a tender plant. See, we have planted them near the wall to save them from strong, gusty winds. They can be grown in many types of soil, except for sandy or sticky and clayey soils. It doesn't tolerate waterlogging, so make sure that the soil is well drained. We plant our papaya trees from seeds. Believe me, it's the simplest gardening thing to do. The main pests that affect it are fruit flies and aphids. Papaya is also famous for its health benefits. It is loaded with nutrients and is rich in antioxidants. As well, one of the most popular health benefits of papaya is that it is extremely beneficial for gut health and digestion. It also has anti-cancer properties, reduces inflammation, and is good for our heart and skin. However, in certain cases, papaya may not be good for you. So do confirm whether it is good for you before eating it. It is also known as pawpaw in Australia and other parts of the world. Remember the pawpaw fruit loved by King Louis in the Jungle Book? However, in the United States, the pawpaw is a completely different indigenous fruit. Confusing, right? Did you know that papaya is botanically a berry? The bitter juice of papaya leaves is also extremely helpful in increasing blood platelet level, hence helping in dengue, hepatitis, etc. Please do check out some great recipes at mencanmakehomes.com. Please follow, like and share our posts using the icons below. Visit us at Early Progressions Faridabad to know lots more. Bye for now.